Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back to another day of Durismas. Today is day 23 of Durismas, y'all. We are pushing through. We are having a blast. I hope you guys have been having a good time. Also, I would love to have your ideas for the upcoming year. What types of videos would you guys like to see? Please comment down below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoy what you see, it will help my channel out so much. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. I just got my JD Glow Cosmetics package in. I have not opened it or looked at anything just yet. I'm very excited. I have heard nothing but wonderful things about JD Glow. They are an indie brand out of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I'm so excited. I did get just a few things for Black Friday, and I just got my package in, so it did take a little while. I understand that with it being an indie owned brand. And for those of you that have been asking me about doing a Black Friday haul, I bought two things. So obviously it didn't warrant doing a haul. So I will do this as a separate video, and then I have one other indie brand I did purchase from that I will be showcasing in just a few days. So we're gonna get started. I'm going to officially open up my box. I'm gonna pull the one thing out that is for my sister, just in case she watches this. I don't want her to see it. But they did have like a 40% off sale, I think, or something like that. So I jumped at the chance because I've been wanting to try this brand for so long. I'll go ahead and say right now, packaged beautifully. It was in the box. Everything is, you know, packaged in bubble wrap and also in like little foam. So what I'm gonna do to just kind of keep this short and sweet, you guys, is I am going to do swatches, and then I'll choose my favorite shadow of them and then put it on my eyes and just get up close, just so you guys have an idea of, you know, packaging, formulation, things like that. So they come in the little sleeves. And I have Carrot Top, which is a Metalon shadow. I have Granny Smith, which is a Metalon shadow. I have, if y'all look, y'all already know, I mean, first of all, these are my colors. Like, I live for oranges and warm tones and greens, and nothing makes my heart go pitter patter more than a varnished, antique, yummy, delicious gold. And I mean, hello. It is called Fool's Gold, and it is also a Metalon shadow. And these pans, you guys, are freaking massive. And these were pretty damn affordable. This one right here is a beautiful, like, multi-chrome. This is Good God, and it is part of their Galaxy collection. And they do have several different collections. Oh my gosh, excuse my nails. Hey, I'm sorry. It's getting towards the end of Durismas, y'all. I'm tired. This one right here is called Peachy Keen. It is also a part of their Galaxy collection shadows. And these pans, again, are enormous. No! And it's the gold one. Oh, and the super high shine gold. Dang it, that makes me really sad. We have a casualty. This one is called Hey Poppy. It is also from the Metalon collection. I will repress it. And obviously it's nothing that they did. It was packaged in bubble wrap, in the foam, you know, packed tightly into the box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shadows and my sister's gloss. And y'all, my order was only $38. I have seen indie brands do their larger pans like this with multi-chrome or beautiful fold collections for $18 to $25 per shadow. So when I saw the sale, I jumped. When I say I jumped, I jumped. So yeah, $38 for everything. And I'll write down what the actual retail total would have been. So I'm super excited to swatch these. We are gonna go ahead and dive in. I'm first gonna go in with this one, and then I'm gonna put it out the way so that I can repress it. And this one is the Hey Poppy from the Metalon collection. These are beautiful. If you have tried JD Glow, and I know so many of you guys have, please let me know your experiences. So I'm gonna be very gentle. Oh wow, that feels incredibly smooth and buttery. They do flake off just a little bit, like they're quite soft in the pan. Hopefully you can see that. Oh my gosh. Wow. Incredibly glass-like. Wow. And it is just going and going and go. JD Glow. Honey. You did the damn thing on that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous, you guys. And when I see swatches sometimes, we all look at them sometimes and are like, yeah, right, bullshit. No, when they show their swatches and y'all, there's still product on my hands, I'm going to go ahead and go out on a limb here and tell you that this is literally going to last you a lifetime. And if you have beautiful, rich, deep skin, this is a highlighter. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful. That is absolutely stunning. All right, BRB. All right, next up we're going to go into Peachy Keen, which is part of the Galaxy collection. Also, if you can see my glasses marks, I'm very sorry. And a lot of people after my little thank you video were like, I never even knew you wore glasses. I've worn glasses since I was 9. I just don't wear them to film, obviously, because I have a light in front of my face. And then if I'm actually doing makeup, I can't wear them to apply makeup. And then if I'm just doing unboxings and things like that, or starting a makeup process, you can see the marks. So that's why I don't wear them. But yeah, I wear glasses. I've worn glasses for a very long time. This one right here, I'm going to try to get up close and personal because it is this beautiful shift between like a limey green and it has this beautiful kind of like pearlized orange in it as well. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see it. Hopefully it reads better when I do the swatch. Very softly pressed again. So I would just say to, you know, just be a little bit easy with it. Ooh, oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. And if you were into like really kind of cool, funky, out there highlights, I would definitely say this would be a beautiful highlight as well. Yeah, I definitely think you can see it. You can see the little flip and kind of that deep, beautiful peach. And then we flip back and you can see the green and yellow going through it. So pretty. So pretty. Not quite as impactful. I definitely think I would like layer this or use it more as like a topper. And hopefully you can see the shift. That shift in the shift in it is absolutely stunning. Next up is the Fool's Gold. And I'm so glad that they put the shade names on here. I don't like when a brand puts the shade name here because when I transfer it to a palette, I'm not going to know what the shade name is. This is my favorite type of a gold. I mean, I love yellow gold as well. But you can see it has a lot of like brassiness in it, if you will. It's kind of like a greeny antiqued gold. Again, very, very soft and very buttery. Oh my gosh. Wow. I do not know why I waited so long to try this brand. Yeah, and the swatches, if you watch their Instagram and you've ever been like me and been an asshole and been like, yeah, right. No, their swatches are beautiful. And you can see kind of that really dark base. Incredibly, incredibly glass-like. Beautiful, beautiful high shine. Oh my gosh. Okay, BRB. All right, next up we have Good God, and it's part of the Galaxy collection. And I'll try to get up close again. So you can see there's a lot of blues and purples. You can see kind of like a pink hue to it, and it has a deepened base. Oh my gosh. That is stunning. Again, very, very smooth. You can kind of push into those, so you can kind of push in on it a little bit though, so I would just say to be a little bit careful. Oh, pretty. That is stunning. That's so pretty, you guys. Oh, wow. That's really, really pretty. This definitely is more like the shade Peachy Keen, where I feel like it's more of like a builder shade or a topper shade, like that on top of a deep base. I can't even imagine how beautiful that would be. All right, let's set that out of the way. Next up, I think these two are gonna be my favorite. I mean, I love everything else, but I think one of these two is gonna be like the one that I'm gonna be like, bitch, I need this on my eyes right now. So this is Granny Smith, also part of the Medallion collection. So we will get up close. It's a beautiful, like, deep limey shade. Absolutely stunning. Oh, this one feels a lot smoother than some of the other ones. If you are like me, the lights are completely blowing this out. Let me turn my light down for a second, you guys. I'm sorry. There we, oh my gosh. That is like the most shiny glass-like reflective green I believe I've ever seen in my entire life. I think that needs to go on my lids. That is, oh my god, that's stunning. Y'all, I'm shitting my pants. These are incredible. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, if you were sleeping on this brand, I wasn't necessarily sleeping on the brand, but I've definitely kind of waited because some of their stuff is a little bit more pricey. I say go for it. I'm genuinely in shock. I'm wiping my hands. I'm genuinely in shock. Holy. To everybody who has told me, Darissa, you need these in your life, I'm gonna keep the lights down. Thank you. I love you. And I'm so far I am over the moon happy with my purchase. And then last is Carrot Top, also a part of the Medalon collection. I'm blown away, you guys. Oh, that is so pretty. I cannot even describe how these feel. They literally feel like butter. I mean, have you ever seen a more beautiful freaking shade? Oh my, I'm floored. I'm absolutely blown away. I am absolutely blown away, you guys. Stunning. Stunning. I will 100% be ordering from them again. And I'm so happy that I saw their Instagram post that day that they were doing the big sale. It's no surprise, I don't think, to anybody. I'm gonna go into this one. I'm not aiming for perfection or a look. I just want to see what it looked like on my eyes. So again, this is Granny Smith from the Medalon collection. And I'm using my finger as I always do with my metallic or shimmer shades. I'm gonna bring my mirror a little closer. Oh my gosh. That is, that's stunning. Oh my god, you guys. Beautiful. A little bit of fallout. Oh my. I am obsessed. I am absolutely obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Yeah, do not sleep on this brand. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And they don't know I exist. Just FYI. They don't know I exist. I'm literally freaking blown away. I am absolutely blown away. These are some of the most beautiful, high shine, reflective, easy to apply shimmers that I've ever used. And aside from literally a tiny bit of fallout, like there's not a lot, it's not all over my cheeks. Y'all, that's beautiful. That is stunning. I'm gonna go in also with Peachy Keen and kind of press a little bit like across the top just to kind of blend it out just a little bit. Again, I'm not aiming for a look, but I'm in shock. I'm in 100% shock. So I'm gonna go in very lightly and press softly right above it, just so it doesn't look so harsh. I cannot wait for y'all to see this up close. Oh my. Yeah, the hype is real. Y'all know I'm not much of a hype person, but if you've been on the fence, climb over the fence, jump over the fence, run over the fence, grab a cab, ride a horse over the fence, whatever you got to do. Yeah, blown away. I cannot wait to do a full-on look. Not that this couldn't be a look. You could definitely do a one shadow look, and this is freaking stunning. If I would have done this first and not had like the little bit of fallout that I do right here, absolutely would wear this out. Matter of fact, I would wear it out just like this. I'm taking my phone off the tripod, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and take my phone off. So excuse me for just a second. I don't ever do this. Y'all know this. But we gotta get close, honey. Real close. I mean, do you see how that is stunning. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Highly recommend. Holy freaking crap. When they do a sale again, I'm definitely going to be purchasing some. If you have tried JD Glow Cosmetics, please comment down below. I am taking a 2-day break. I will be off for tomorrow and for Christmas Day to enjoy time with my family. I hope you guys understand that. I hope you guys have a blast with your own families. I will be back on the 27th and finish up the month of Christmas with you guys. I still have so much content coming. I have some fun collabs coming, a very special collab coming. Yeah, I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.